I'm gonna record a video. Alright. You seem cold.
Here's a mistake only coming out of my jumper.
It's frozen.
You hear it crunching when you walk?
Ice. Is that the sound of crunching? I want to walk down, but I don't want to slide down the thing.
Walk sideways like this.
Or why don't we walk on grass?
Or you can walk on the grass.
Where there's more grip. That's ice. Oh, you can see it through there.
Oh shit, I slipped.
It's so cold.
Oh my god, I don't think I can do this.
Alright, let's go back in. Oh, it's all frozen. It's ice. You're confusing an ice and snow.
What is snow made of? It's made of what?
Well, yeah, but it's...
Adam! I can't take the photo because my hand's shaking so much. Waiting for snow. Even though it's not really snow.
It's cold.
Hi, Emma. Luckily the house still smells like yummy dinner. We used to get a fire.
Yeah,
Instead of
and
the
the fake fire. Goosey! It's so cold. Oh, Jesus, Emma.
Here's the reason what cold it is. Bo Burnham is keeping us
Emma.
Good Dan.
All right.